Good morning, royal family. I am so sorry. I told you guys I would post a video of the carrot cake on Friday, and I was so tired, so I didn't get to do that. But it is now 4:40 a.m. and I am up doing this carrot cake. All right, you guys, let's get started. Let me show you everything you will need. You will need 2 9-inch pans. You will need eggs. You will need pecans. You will need oil. I preferably use canola oil, but you can use vegetable. You will need cinnamon. You will need baking soda. You will need vanilla extract. You will need seedless raisins. You will need buttermilk. You will need carrots. You will need crushed pineapples. You will need coconut. And you will need sugar and flour. All right, you guys, let me get these ingredients started and I'll come back and we'll get this cake in the oven, even though it's very early in the morning. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, we're ready to get this cake going. All right, let me show you what I have here in the bowl. I have 2 cups of sugar. I have 3 large eggs. I have 3/4 cup of canola oil and 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm just going to combine this until it's nice and smooth. You guys, you're not going to believe how easy this recipe is. All right, let's get going. I'm going to do it probably for about 3 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Well, while it's doing that, let me just go ahead and give you the other ingredients, all right? I have 1 cup of chopped pecans here. I have 1 cup of angel flaked coconut, and I have 1 cup of carrots. Make sure they're fresh carrots. Of course, you can't use frozen. And I have I think it's a 8-ounce can of crushed pineapples. And you're going to also put all of that in the batter. All right, let me show you my dry ingredients. Here I have, it is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And you're going to mix all of that into one bowl and just kind of, give it a stir like that. All right? I will be right back. All right, you guys. This is how the egg mixture should look. And now we're going to take all of the flour mixture and just add it in. And then we're going to put it on a low speed. You know how most of the time you have to alternate wet, dry, wet, dry? You don't have to do it with this. You just put all the dry ingredients in and let it roll. All right, let's go again. Now I'm hoping I can start this on low, so it won't splatter everywhere. Okay. Well, it was just a little, not too bad. Okay, you guys see that? You can smell the cinnamon and the vanilla. I mean, freaking awesome. This cake is going to be so good. And the next 4 ingredients, guess what we're going to do? We're just going to fold them in. guys, guess what I'm cooking tomorrow? We're gonna do jambalaya. Ooh, it's a lot of chopping involved, but I want to give you guys this recipe. I know I think it's still Mardi Gras time, or it's Mardi Gras over in February. I don't know. But I'm going to do a jambalaya tomorrow, you guys, so you have to tune in. Okay. Now that looks pretty good, all right? All right, I'll be back. All right, you guys, here are the last 4 ingredients. The coconut, the pecans, the carrots, and the pineapples. And when I first gave you guys the ingredients, I said raisins. You can add raisins in them, but I'm going to omit raisins in this recipe. So now we're just going to fold it in. And you want to put your oven on 350. So preheat it to 350. And they're going to bake 20 to 30 minutes, or as Ms. O would always say, until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Wow, you guys, look at that. See that? Yum, yum, yum. All right. I'll see you guys in about 35 minutes. All right. All right. Here we go. In the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, you guys. See you back. Okay, Royal Family, while the cakes are cooking, let's go ahead and do the cream cheese frosting. So here I have an 8 ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. And I'm going to use a 16 ounce of imperial sugar. And since the cake has cinnamon in it, I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon extract in the icing to where it'll really kick it up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get this blended and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And also, you guys, I always sift my flour. So I just put it on top of the cream cheese and I just let the imperial sugar just go down to where it really comes out nice and smooth. All right. Whew, we're almost done. Okay, you guys, here go the icing. And I forgot to tell you, for the liquid, I used a tablespoon of buttermilk. It really balances out that sweetness. And this icing on top of the carrot cake, oh my God, it's going to be so delicious. All right, you guys, I'm finna ice the cakes and show you the final presentation. And remember, I can't cut it because it's for someone's birthday. All right, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the carrot cake with the buttermilk cream cheese icing. All I did for decoration was took some mint leaves and put them in the center, and I took a carrot and I kind of shaved it off and just rolled it up. Then I chopped up some carrots and just put it on top. But anyway, you guys, remember, I can't cut this cake because it's for someone's birthday. But the icing, oh my God, is off the chain. Thank you guys for watching. Please have a great Saturday. And please share and subscribe. And please check me out on my Facebook page at Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service LLC, on Twitter, Kingdom Barbecue Catering, and on Instagram, Kingdom Barbecue Catering. See you guys tomorrow for the jambalaya. God bless you.